inTrips app tutorial. Part 2. How to register. Step 1. Registration. Download the inTrips app from your device's app store. Open the inTrips app, tap on the icon in the top right corner, and select English as your preferred language. Then, click on Register. Step 2. Create. Choose a username, 7 to 15 letters or numbers, and enter your referral ID or scan the QR code. Create a login password, ensuring it meets the specified criteria, and re-enter it for confirmation. Step 3. Security question. Select and answer 3 security questions for password recovery. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure save the answer well. Step 4. Re-login. Click Register to finalize the process. After successful registration, log in with your account password to access the homepage. Thank you for your attention. Download the inTrips app.